Beauty is great. Facilitates women attracting. Not attractive? You know being attractive isn't enough. Instead, be a sexy dude. Men can be handsome but not seductive, or average but very sexy. Women favor attractive men over good-looking ones because they are more emotional than visual. Self-confidence for sex. Confidence makes a man sexy. Confidence is trusting yourself to succeed. It stems from self-awareness and stability. Confident men are seductive. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. All tips boost self-confidence. 1. Sexy men move powerfully. Our appearance doesn't matter. People notice your movement first. If someone caught you moving unnaturally, it would indicate insecurity. Your body language expresses you. Move confidently to make a good first impression. Carry yourself as if going somewhere big. You're significant. Never look down. Keep your back straight, chest high, and shoulders down. Nobody knows who's watching. Never trust anyone. But does good movement make you sexy? 2. Cook well. The secret component. Cook her a wonderful meal. It's the work you put into cooking that matters, not the taste. Cooking for someone? Totally sexy. 3. Humor. The sixth sense. Sense of humor is the key to sexually intriguing and engaging women. Stanford University School found that women love witty males. It's fascinating that humor is valued more than attractiveness. This rare sense is a skill. It's great for approaching women. You can. More comedies, shows. Watching will teach you what's humorous. Gather funny people. These guys will help you spot real-life comedy, especially for girls. Deliver on time. Because missing the joke will make it fail. Find humor every day. Look back at instances that would make good jokes. Always have some funny things to say. Avoid excess. Don't be an always-on freak. Be nice. Meanness is unpleasant and destroys credibility. Racism and sexism are bad. Enjoy yourself. Fun and safe. 4. Risk-takers. Special bravery is an edgy way to attract ladies. Complimenting someone. What happens after a compliment? People love daily compliments. This art may attract people in minutes. You made them happy. Divide this art into 2 parts. Catching up. Most individuals remark to compliment anything they're wearing. However, compliment people, not objects. It helps them feel special and important, something humans crave their whole lives. 5. Dig deeper. Keep going. Improve your complimenting. Explain what you complimented. Ask it. Honesty is best. Give sincere compliments. That's revolting. Compliment sincerely. People can detect flattery, which is bad. 6. Kindness and understanding. The winning tip. Kindness is giving without expecting anything in return. Kindness is easy. Give no guarantees. Donate excess funds. Always listen. Many folks crave attention. They want to tell their story. 7. Look to get noticed. High-level eye contact requires talent. It evaluates your discussion partner. Research shows that looking into someone's eyes increases affection. Like, share, subscribe and comment.